Hi dearest, today we're going to be making a packaging box from an already existing box. So here is our box. There's a cowboy box. Empty carton has been used already. Can you see this place here? We're going to be uprooting it. So what we'll do is we'll take our scissors and slice off that part. If you have this knife, it will also work at this point in time. But I use the edge of the scissors like this to get it separated. So you're going to do that. Keep watching and learning. Then you also take off the sellotape at the back. You peel it off carefully. Now if there are any errors when you're doing this, don't worry, I'll show you how to do a lovely patchwork. So now I'm going to be turning it the other way. Just follow and see how you turn it. Can you see how I'm turning it? To form another box to ensure that this write-up is inside. You can also, if you want, use some cardboard paper and cover it all inside, so also it is not seen. Okay, so I turn it like so. We will change the down part later on, but just keep watching this part that I'm doing right now. Okay, so I'm going to take that flip and put it on this side, and I'm going to be using my uhu gum to glue it down. Okay, so the patch was too much around that, so I decorated it with my tag and also with the masking tape. Can you see how it looks? Then for the back, this is what you do. You close it up like this, like the way it was before when you removed it on the other side. But you know, you turned it and you're going to use sellotape, just like how you saw it was made before. And you're going to seal it all up. Keep watching and learning. Now you need to open it up like so and press it inside so that it sticks firmly on the sellotape and doesn't pull off. Okay, so I'm still using my hand to press it all together. And I noticed there's a patch there, so I'm also going to take my sellotape and seal that up. So that's what you do to patches that you see. You seal them up, try and put a decor on it to make it look neat and fine. And that's how I made this lovely packaging box to package my heart. What do you think about it? So if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see how to make your carton from scratch, as in buying the items to use to make a box of your own, please do click on the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss that video. And you can ride on to watch this next video. Thanks for staying with me.